I'm private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Hey my girly pop, welcome back to another episode of Hair and Heart Talk. Today, sponsored by BeautyExchange. Today we're doing the Melted Hairline by Outre. This unit is by Juliet in the color Havana Brown. Today's Heart Talk is going to be about life after waiting too long. First, starting with the wig card, these are some of the other colors that she comes in. Comes in Cosmo Red, Golden Amber, Havana Brown, Tiramisu, Honey Kiss, Chocolate Swirl, and Ginger Spice. Okay. This wig is 20 inches. She is heat safe. She can take up to 400 degrees. As you can see, she is a C-shaped wig. She's pre-parted, and you see this net, that's so you can have a breathable wig. So when you hot and sweaty, you're a little less hot and sweaty. You get that rat tail comb in there, probably even a finger to scratch the back of your scalp. Everything else is standard construction. It doesn't say how long the part is, but I'm gonna go with 5 inches. This is an HT transparent lace wig, and it is pre-bleached, pre-plucked. I'm gonna use Eben's lace tint today. Well, lace tint mousse, and I usually don't show y'all this part, but I'm gonna show you me spraying this all over the lace. Just because I'm in the car, we're trying something different today. If you haven't noticed, this is a car wig review. Like, let me do this for my girls because sometimes the lighting is bad, and I have like 50 different lights, and it still look a mess. You see how much clearer this is? You already know I get straight to business. Make sure nobody's looking. Anyways, yeah, back to what I was saying. I don't know. Let me know how. Do you like this style? I think I want to start doing some of the wig reviews in the car because I do this in real life. I'm that friend that gets ready on the way to everywhere and looks like she did it at home. And I'm gonna teach you how to do it too, okay? Do not be safe now. But hey, you know I'm gonna put you on anytime, anything I can. So I will say this wig was pretty spacious, meaning it could fit from ear to ear. Even though it's a C shape, the illusion 13 by whatever frontal illusion actually stretched across the whole forward, where I love that. You see that? I was about to act like a young heifer. Clearly, Juliet was already starting to Juliet, even when she was sitting on the top of my head. But she still was synthetic because you saw that my hands were tangled in there. But one thing I've learned about these wigs when they do feel like this, because they've upgraded so much, once you brush them out, they usually start to feel softer and you can run your hands after the first initial brush. Now, if you can run your hands between that synthetic wig before you brush it out, now you gotta keep her. What I did is I just took 2 strands from each side as if they were sideburns to hold my wig in place because it's not glued down, and I sprayed it with my Eben's purple spray. This is their vitamin E and biotin spray. You can get in your local beauty exchange as well as online at mybeautyexchange.com. I'll link it for you below. And then I got my wig band, and I'm just going to put it on. This is how easy I install my wigs in the car or when I'm in a hurry. I don't even blow dryer or nothing. It's about to get real in a second. I'm about to show you exactly what I do instead of blow drying it. And honestly, this next step you don't even have to do. You can just leave your wig band on for a long time. Like if you have a long drive, and if as long as it'll dry, you're done. You gotta do your makeup. If you gotta go in the grocery store real quick, girl, by the time you get to your destination, that thing will be dry. But just make sure once you put the wig band on that you adjust her and make sure she's laying exactly where you want her to while she's drying. And I was having a little difficulties because I don't know what I was doing, okay? But we went ahead and readjusted her, and she was in place. Oh my goodness, I need some water. Yeah, let's just go on ahead and get into today's Heart Talk because we don't need to waste any time. And speaking of time, today's Heart Talk is about we stay in situations we've been in too long that we know we were been supposed to leave, and we get to feeling like we're behind in life or we're missing out. We are missing out, but we're not behind, baby. I'll give you a list of reasons why. Because I've been this girl, I've been in this position, and I've definitely felt like I'm behind in life, whether I stayed in a relationship hold on, water break. Whether I stayed in the relationship too long, whether I sat in fear too long, stayed in friendships or a job too long, dang, the life I know I deserve to live is running away from me. Pause. So this is a tip I was telling you about. Turn that AC all the way up on blast. Put your head right next to the AC. I promise you it's the same as a blow dryer. Gotta be resourceful, girl. But anyway, as someone who's made it out of the toxic cycles and sitting in situations I've outgrown, and the more I learn about God, I can honestly say that you're not behind. I wasn't behind. Maybe a little delayed, but at the end of the day, what's for you is for you. God's promises will always remain, and they will always be fulfilled because he's faithful to his word. He is a man of his word. So it's not about us. Once we heal and we get whole and we remember who we are, things that we wanted, the things that we actually deserve and are meant for us, will still be there. As long as we get in a line. Honestly, the things that we go through while we're sitting there feeling stuck and not leaving the situation behind, are going to be tools that really help us and equip us for the lifestyle that we're actually designed to live. And I said, something stank. I don't know what that was. This is serious. I'm sorry. It gives you more experience, more knowledge, and more appreciation for the things to come. And that's today's Heart Talk. Let me know if this helped you. Let me know if you can relate. And what you want to talk about in the next one, girl? Getting back into Juliet. I said I'm not about to keep playing, trying to rub my fingers through her. Let's go ahead and brush her out with my favorite handy dandy wig brush, the wet brush. You see, I'm combing, I'm brushing, okay? It's not even taking that long. We're just getting through there because that's what's gonna give her good texture that makes it look normal and natural and less wiggy. Always, well, not always. Most of the time you wanna brush her out. Now, if it's curly and other things like that, okay. Gotta hold off, we gotta be gentle. But when it's like a loose texture, most of the time we wanna brush her out. Do you see how she's already coming together? I basically gave myself a blowout with the brush. Super pretty. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do the other side. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. Quack, quack, quack. And honestly, using the wet brush is so good because it goes straight through the hair. Normally, you're supposed to start at the bottom of the hair, but you see, I'm just starting at the top and going around because it literally glides through the hair. You're supposed to start from the bottom and go up. This works for real hair and human hair. And you see how it's manipulating the hair side to side? When I tell you guys, you can shape your hair whichever way you want it to go, that's what I mean, because you can literally twist it in the direction you want as if you're styling your hair, but you're using your hands in a brush. Okay, write it down, save the video, like, share, comment, subscribe so the other girlies can get in here. Sisterhood, don't gatekeep. We all need to look good and get our mindsets right. You know, we prioritize inner and outer beauty over here. Well, what are you thinking about her so far, friend? Honestly, I could have worn her like this, but I decided to pick at my edges because that's just how they laid when I laid the lace band down, and I didn't really push the hair back. And sometimes the way it lays messy is cute, and I'll just leave the edges like that. But these were kind of sloppy, and it crusted because I pulled it up and it had already dried. But that's okay. Just get that lace tint again, and I put some on there. That's going to be my best friend this video. And you don't need too much because sometimes I overdo it. So I just put a little pea-sized amount, and that worked just to clean it up. You don't want to put too much either too because you might lift up the wig. Remember, we didn't glue it down with no BX lace glue. We just used the Evans hairspray because it's temporary. But anyways, girl, I'm almost done. Just watch me do the rest of my hair, and I'm gonna come back and you let me know what you think. Also, I just sprayed my hands. This is another tip if you don't have a hot comb, and just hold your hair down in place or brush it with a hard brush. So this is the finished look. What do you think, girl? Let me know. Do not hold back. Did you wear her? Have you worn her? What color would you wear her in? Let me know what other wigs you want to see. Styling? What? Like, let me know, girl. I got you. If you need her, she's in the link in the description box below. You can shop her on mybeautyexchange.com or just come in the store, girl. We got you. You can try it on, or that's what I'm in the next video. I love you. Bye.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who